हमें भी सनम चाहिए आशिकी के आप लोग भी साथ में गाइए हाय के सनम चाहिए आशिकी के आशिकी के आशिकी के
Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I am here at Awadh Mahotsav Lucknow, one of the most colorful and vibrant cultural festival of Uttar Pradesh. This Mahotsav is a celebration of Awadhi culture, traditional food, art, craft, music, dance and local talent. I explored almost every corner of this fair from shops to food stalls, cultural displays, toy shop, handmade craft and many more interesting places. So stay with me till the end as we explore the beautiful colors of Lucknow and Awadh Mahotsav. As we enter the Mahotsav, the first thing we notice is the lively atmosphere, lights, decoration, music, and a festive vibe everywhere. This fair beautifully shows the rich heritage of Lucknow, the city of Nawabs, known for its tehzeeb culture and hospitality. In this Mela, you can see a long line of shops showcasing traditional items, handmade clothes, jhumkas, carpet, wooden craft, bags, pottery, and many unique products made by local artisans. Awadh Mahotsav gives a platform to many talented craftsmen to display their art. There is a lot of toy section where kids are having a wonderful time. Colorful toys, balloon, fun games, and many all different types of toys for the children. The energy here is amazing. Families and children are enjoying every bit of the fair. Awadh Mahotsav brings together artisans from different parts of Uttar Pradesh. Every corner here tells a story of culture, tradition, and colors. I loved exploring every shop and capturing moments from here. Lucknow is a city known for its name, its manners, its food culture, and this festival reflects all of that beautifully. This place is a perfect for families, kids, food lovers, and cultural lovers. You can easily spend 3 to 4 hours here exploring everything. The best part about Awadh Mahotsav is the huge variety of shops. You will find literally everything here, from daily use items to rare handcrafted products. It feels like every corner has something new to explore. Whether you are here to buy something or just to enjoy the atmosphere, this fair has something for everyone. Kids will find toys and fun activities. Youngsters will enjoy trendy items and food. and elders will love the traditional craft and cultural vibe. Especially for women, this place is a paradise. Beautiful bangles, artificial jewelries, ethnic wear, handbag, so many collections in one place that you don't usually see together. And Awadh Mahotsav truly brings together colorful stalls, talented artisans, and the rich culture of Uttar Pradesh. It's like a mini India where different styles, design, and culture come together in one beautiful celebration. Walking through the lanes of this fair feels like a journey. Every stall tells a story, every item reflects a craft, and every corner is full of life. As we move ahead, the aroma from the achar corner immediately grabbed our attention. Different variety of traditional pickles filled the air with delicious tangy smell. Right next to it, many Kashmiri sellers were offering premium dry fruits, walnut, almond, figs, dry fruit cakes, and so much more. It's wonderful to see how people from different regions came together. One thing I really felt is that this fair is not just about shopping, it's a culture in itself. Every stall has a story, and the sellers are here are so polite, humble, and cultured in their behavior. Their way of talking and welcoming visitors truly adds warmth to the whole Awadh Mahotsav experience.
में गर्म पानी जितना समय टैप से लेके गीजर में आने में लगेगा वही समय लगेगा पानी गर्म होने में 8 मिनट में 14 लीटर 1 घंटे में 90 से 100 लीटर पानी गर्म करेगा.
There are lots and lots of clothes here, women's wear, beautiful shawls, suits, sarees, and so many different fabric collections. Along with that, you will also find a great variety of jacket, which is perfect because the weather is getting colder, especially now in November. So whether you are looking for something traditional or something to keep you warm, this fair has an amazing range for everyone. There are also book-stalls selling a wide range of motivational books and many other interesting collections. I even found a book that I had been searching for a long time, and luckily I got it here at the fair. That moment made me really excited, and once again I felt that this Mela truly has something for everyone. No matter what you are looking for, you will always find something special here. हाँ दीदी, this is the right section of the fair and it's full of excitement, especially for kids. Here you will find all kinds of rides from the classic round go ride to the thrilling pendulum and even fun balloon areas where children can jump and play. There are so many ride options that kids would not feel like leaving this area at all. The best part is that the prices are very reasonable. I have visited many other melas before and compared to them, the ride prices here are quite genuine and pocket friendly. I personally enjoyed the pendulum ride a lot. It was a fantastic experience. The organizer also mentioned that on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday there is a huge rush here. We came at night mainly to record this video, and even then, the energy of this place was amazing. The rides, the light, and the joyful crowd make this section a must visit when you come to Awadh Mahotsav. In this Mela, we met this wonderful Chacha ji who was selling tea and homemade fara. The way he serves people with such a humble smile truly touched my heart. The best part was when he said, "Agar paise na ho, tab bhi pee lo, jao beta," and that one line shows his goodness and purity. For me, he is the real star of this entire Mela. Simple, honest, and so welcoming. Meeting him actually made me feel at home. I enjoyed his hot tea and the delicious homemade fara, and even he prepared a paratha specially for me, and believe me, it was super tasty. Moments like this make fairs like Awadh Mahotsav truly memorable. So this was our visit to Awadh Mahotsav. I hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful fair with me. From food to culture to shopping, every corner had something special. In the next video, we will explore another amazing place. So stay connected. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.